Hi everyone, my name is Preeti Singh and I am a certified NLP and a life coach. Today I thought of talking and sharing in this video about a vision board because I have been working with several people who are from businesses, from different careers, and when I do the healing, I get to know a lot of people who are trying to achieve several type of goals, but they have been unable to for several years. There has been several people who are trying to achieve a particular goal for like 10 years, 15 years, or maybe more than 20 years. So there are definitely several factors because of which they are unable to achieve their goals on time and look forward on the further goals or whatever they want to achieve in their life. The reason there is a delay or there is a confusion because they have made their goals as a dream, and because of which there is no specific timeline, or even if they have any kind of timeline which they have, it is always in their mind. So आपने अक्सर सुना होगा कि out of sight is out of mind. So anything which is not in front of your eyes, anything which is not around you, anything which is not in visible in your environment is something, it will not attract in your life faster, or you will not be able to achieve the things at the speed you actually want to. So in my courses I have I work with several people, I work with several clients, and I help them achieve the success 10 times faster. And there are different techniques. So since we are today learning about vision board, so it is very necessary that every human being, every student, or everyone who is, whether you are a household person, whether you are a student, whether you are into some kind of career job, or if you are somebody who is in any kind of business, there should always be the vision, which is the goals. Your goals should always be written somewhere. So for example, yeah, it's been like last 5 years. There is no such year where I do not. So every year, basically, I prepare a particular vision board, and every year I have attained most of the things which I have mentioned on the vision board as a goal. So last week I was looking forward to invest into a property, flat, and then I wanted to buy a PlayStation. Then I also wanted to buy another four-wheeler, and I was able to attain. I also wanted to visit a particular country for my international trip with my family, with my spouse. So all these things we were able to achieve, and the reason we were able to achieve because it was always in front of my eyes, because of which consciously or subconsciously my goals were every day coming in and showing up in front of my eyes, because of which I was thinking about many ideas. I was thinking about a lot of ideas were coming to uh, me in there were many ideas basically that were coming to me, so that how I can make more money, and how I can actually achieve my goals faster than usually people think. सो तो जब तक आपके पास आपके सामने आपके गोल्स लिखे हुए नहीं होंगे, आप जो है जितना मेहनत कर लीजिए, आप हो सकता है कि आप लकीली या कोइंसिडेंटली अपने गोल्स को अचीव कर सके, लेकिन उन गोल्स को अगर फास्ट अचीव करना है तो यू हैव टू write your goals. You have to look at your goals every day. You have to read your goals every day so that you will uh, consciously and subconsciously be preparing yourself for achieving those goals. I see a lot of students who want to achieve good marks, or who want to achieve a certain um, uh, numbers, passing numbers if they are studying. And there are several students who want to achieve some kind of career after they are done with their education, especially engineering students or the students who are in the business management. Or there are several people in their career and businesses. They have a certain timeline that with that particular year they want to achieve certain things, but majority of the time, 99% of the time, they do not write their goals. They always keep their goals in their brain, in their mind, because of which it is always there in some corner of their brain. it is not visible. They do talk about some about their goals sometimes, but the way they speak is very vague. Yeah, there is no clarity, and at the same time there is lack of opportunity they attract around them, because of which they are unable to, so their goals basically get delays. So, for the last 5 years, I have achieved most of the things that I have always wished for or desired for. And the more I look at my dreams, the more I look at my written goals, the more I look at my vision board every day, the better I get my ideas, the better I get the opportunities, the more number of opportunities I come across, the kind of people I interact with. They somehow, directly or indirectly, there is some kind of support that I receive. So, if you are also somebody who wants to achieve any specific goal in your life, whether it is in your health or in your relationship, whether it is your career or business area, or there is a money related goal, if you want to achieve your goal at the particular time, then you must have your goal written somewhere in your in around you. At the same time, you should always have your goals written multiple places in your house, or the place you are living in. um, as a human being, we always say to ourselves as an excuse कि अपने गोल्स के बारे में बताएंगे तो हमें नज़र लग जाएगी, या अपने ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में मत बताओ, कोई भी चीज़ जो तुम अचीव करना चाहते हो उसके बारे में मत बताओ, क्योंकि नज़र लगती है। ये नज़र उन्हीं को लगती है जो एक्सक्यूज़ बनाना चाहते हैं। There are so many people, there are so many millionaires, billionaires, there are kids in 20s, they are earning crores of money. उनको नज़र क्यों नहीं लगती है? तो ये सारे बहाने हैं। आप पैसे अचीव या अपने गोल अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं उनके लिए। सो इसीलिए you should always keep your goals and goals written in different parts of your house, or different places in your environment you're living in. So if you're a student, then you must have your goal written in front, the place where you study every day, whether it is your study table, whether it is the wall where you sit and study. If you are a household person, then you will have some kind of goal for your family members. Then if you are a career oriented or business oriented person, then you must have your goals written somewhere, कहीं भी लिखिए, लेकिन अपने गोल्स को लिखिए ज़रूर, क्योंकि जब तक गोल्स आप लिखेंगे नहीं, जब तक आपके गोल्स डेली आपको दिखेंगे नहीं, आप सिर्फ एक मेहनत करेंगे, गोल्स हो सकता है कि आप अचीव कर लें, लेकिन समय पे अचीव करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि जब आपके गोल्स आपके सामने नहीं रहेंगे, आप लाइफ में पाना क्या चाहते हैं उसकी क्लैरिटी नहीं रहेगी, तब तक उस टाइप के आपके मुंह से बातें नहीं निकलेंगी, उस टाइप के आपके अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिलेंगे, आपके अंदर आइडियाज़ नहीं आ पाएंगे वो सारे। तो ये उन लोगों के साथ ज़रूर हो सकता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा शायद कोई ऐसी शक्ति लेकर पैदा हुए हों, लेकिन ये मेरा वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जो एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग के जैसे जन्म लिए हैं इस धरती पे। एंड सबसे पहले तो ये समझिए कि आप इस धरती पे आए हैं तो आपके जीवन के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ पर्पस है। यदि आपके पीछे पर्पस नहीं है तो आपके और जानवर के बीच में कोई अंतर नहीं, क्योंकि जानवर भी आता है और वो अपना जीवन जी के जैसे तैसे वो चला जाता है, लेकिन अगर हमें भगवान ने एक ह्यूमन बॉडी दिया है तो ज़रूर इसके पीछे सबका हर किसी का पर्पस होता है। जो भी लोग अपने गोल्स को अचीव नहीं कर पाते, या तो अपनी किस्मत को कोसते हैं, या तो वो नज़र वाली बातें करते हैं, या तो वो चीज़ों के बारे में बहुत जजमेंटल होते हैं, जिसके वजह से बेसिकली वो अपने एक्सक्यूजेस को दर्शाते हैं, अपनी नाकामयाबी को दर्शाते हैं। लेकिन यदि आप उनमें से हैं जो सक्सेस पाने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं, किसी भी लेवल की मेहनत करना पसंद करते हैं, देन आपके गोल्स हमेशा लिखे हुए होने चाहिए। डेली सुबह और शाम को, सुबह जगने के बाद और सुबह रात को सोने से पहले आपको अपने गोल्स ज़रूर देखने चाहिए। आप क्या जीवन में अचीव करना चाहते हैं, या किस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे क्या चीज़ अचीव करना चाहते हैं, वो लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। क्योंकि नहीं लिखेंगे तो चीज़ें, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आउट ऑफ साइट इज़ आउट ऑफ माइंड, जो नज़रों के सामने नहीं है वो आपके जीवन में आने में बहुत समय लगाएगी, या शायद नहीं भी आएगी। तो यदि ये आपको अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने हैं तो प्लीज़ सबसे पहली चीज़ उसको लिखना शुरू कीजिए, और बहुत सारे और भी तरीके हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहला जो टेक्निक है वो यही है कि राइट योर गोल्स। आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कि जो भी बड़ी कंपनीज होती हैं उनका वेबसाइट होता है, वेबसाइट पे उनका विजन एंड मिशन लिखा होता है। Every company has written their vision and mission on their website. That keeps them, that makes them keep motivated time again, and accordingly they hire people in their companies. They work accordingly. They get along with the clients accordingly as per their vision and mission. So overall, at the end of this video, I wanted to say the same thing, that in my future coming videos, I will keep sharing more such ideas, so that you can get some kind of inputs and learnings from these videos. It will be more of learning based and very easy techniques through which you can achieve your goals faster. So the first is that you start creating your vision board, start writing your goals, and this is not rocket science at all. You can simply take a paper, you can, whether it's a ruled paper or blank paper, don't ask and don't get into all those things. Just directly you can write your goals on a piece of paper. If the piece of paper should be visible enough so that you can read that, you can see that every day. And if you want, you can make it more exciting by putting some pictures, and you can always mention a timeline that, for example, let us say somebody is trying to is earning certain amount and they are trying to achieve a certain amount after a particular time. So you have to write in a form of affirmation that I am able to achieve this much of money by this particular time. Read that affirmation every day. Look at those that timeline with the goal every day, so that the more you see, the more closer you get to your goals. uh, there could be like we keep saying to several people that think positive, but it is not easy to think positive. It is very difficult for most of the people to get into visualization, whether it is guided visualization or whatever type of, but not everybody is capable, because there is something called in NLP that we all have three type of modalities: VAK, visualization, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. So not everybody can have the same type of modality when they are living their lives. So some people are good at audio, some people are good at visual, some people are good at feelings, which is kinesthetic. So but any thing which is visible, that works faster for anyone, and anything that you see every day, anything that you talk every day, is something that you attract in your life faster. So as I was saying some time ago, that we always try to motivate people by saying that think positive, do positive, talk positive, see, watch positive, so many positive things. But it is not easy. It is not so practical for everyone to do the visualization, do the positive talk, self talk, or talking with the other people. Which is why this techniques works best for everyone, whosoever you are. So first of all, create your goals, make your vision board, or write your goals anywhere, put in 10 different places in your house, so that everywhere you move, even if you move your neck to a particular side, your goal should be visible to you every day. So do it, and let me know if you have anytime any of you have done created vision board, and how, what kind of results have you attained out of that, and since how long have you been doing it. I said that I am doing it for last 5 years, and I am seeing the maximum results out of that, and there are several goals which I achieve even before the time comes. So this is how writing the goals or making a vision board actually works. So I will be sharing more such videos with more learnings on how to achieve your goals. So in the meantime, you stay tuned and keep commenting in my in the comment box. Also, let me know that what kind of challenges do you face while preparing the vision board, so that I can help you out with that. So in the meantime, thank you so much. See you again in the next video.